Everybody talks about how expensive classic Mustangs have become, but honestly, there are still some really interesting deals hiding out there right now. Today, we found everything from a rare big block X-Code Convertible to a fully restored Fastback, plus several affordable first-generation Mustangs that still capture everything people love about 1960s American cars. All right, today's lineup is basically Mustang heaven. And we're starting with a super clean blue 1966 Ford Mustang coupe out of Rhode Island for 20 grand. Now this, right here, is exactly the kind of classic Mustang most people picture when they think of 1960s American cars. Long hood, short rear deck, chrome bumpers, simple body lines. It's one of the most recognizable car shapes ever built. And honestly, this one sounds like a really enjoyable driver. Seller says it runs and drives great, has absolutely no rust, and turns heads everywhere it goes. That's not surprising at all, because first-generation Mustangs still get attention from literally every age group. Kids love them, older enthusiasts love them. Even people who know nothing about cars recognize these instantly. And one thing I really like here is the honesty about the interior. Seller admits the driver's seat has some wear, but includes brand new replacement seats and extra parts with the sale. That's actually refreshing. Too many listings try to pretend everything is perfect, but real classic cars usually have little stories and imperfections. And honestly, hearing that classic exhaust note from an old Mustang coupe on a spring evening is pretty much peak Americana. These cars aren't just transportation anymore, they're experiences.
Next up is another 1966 Ford Mustang, but this one takes a very different approach. This red coupe out of Virginia is listed for $17,500 and still has its original 200 cubic inch inline-six engine and automatic transmission. And honestly, I know a lot of people immediately chase V8 cars, but don't overlook these six-cylinder Mustangs. Because for somebody entering the classic car world for the first time, this might actually be the smarter buy. They're lighter, simpler, cheaper to maintain, easier on fuel, and usually driven less aggressively over the years. Seller says the car has no rust, which is probably the single most important thing you can hear on a mid-60s Mustang. And since it still has manual steering and manual brakes, this thing probably drives exactly the way a Mustang felt in 1966. No filters, no modern feel, just pure vintage driving dynamics. You feel the road more, you work a little harder behind the wheel, and honestly, that's part of the charm. Not every classic car needs to be a fire-breathing muscle machine. Sometimes a simple cruiser is exactly what makes people fall in love with old cars.
Now this next car is on a completely different level.
Caspian Blue 1965 Mustang Fastback out of Michigan for nearly 60 grand. And wow, this thing sounds gorgeous. Fastbacks already sit near the top of the Mustang world because of how iconic the shape is. The roofline, the aggressive stance, the way the rear slopes downward, these cars just look fast sitting still. But this one also checks a lot of boxes enthusiasts care about. 289 V8, 5-speed Tremec manual, front disc brakes, cold air conditioning, dual exhaust, fold-down rear seat, fully restored, no rust. That's a really strong combination. And the Caspian blue color is apparently quite rare, which makes this car even more interesting from a collector standpoint. But honestly, what really stands out is that this sounds like a car you could actually jump in and drive anywhere right now. A lot of restored classics look amazing, but still feel old and fragile on the road. This one sounds modernized in all the right ways without losing its vintage personality. And a 5-speed manual completely changes the driving experience compared to the original transmissions from the mid-60s. This thing probably cruises beautifully on the highway.
Now, let's get into something much rarer. A matching numbers 1968 Ford Mustang 390 X-Code Convertible listed in New York for 45 grand. And honestly, this might be the sleeper car of the entire group, because most casual buyers won't realize how rare an X-Code car actually is. Seller says only 67 were produced in this configuration, and apparently there's documentation directly from Ford proving it. That's serious collector-level stuff. And this isn't just some recently flipped option car either. The owner has had it for almost 3 decades after buying it from the original owner. That history matters. Under the hood is the factory 390 big block V8, and that completely changes the personality of a first-generation Mustang. These cars feel heavier, louder, and much more aggressive than the smaller engine cars. And being a convertible just makes it even cooler. The custom candy brandywine paint sounds interesting too, because it gives the car a more personalized look while still keeping the original vibe alive. Plus, the seller still has the original exhaust and original radio, which hardcore collectors always appreciate. Honestly, this feels like one of those cars that would get a huge crowd at a local Cars and Coffee event, because real X-Code cars are incredibly uncommon.
And finally, we've got one of the more affordable V8 cars in the lineup. An orange 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D out of Maryland for $16,500. Now this one sounds less like a polished show car and more like an honest, ongoing project that somebody already poured a ton of money into. And sometimes, those are the best deals. This Mustang has a rebuilt 289 V8, automatic transmission, and a huge list of replaced parts, including brakes, dash, gauges, carpet, fuel tank, fuel lines, bumpers, headliner, floor pans, quarter panel work, axle bearings, seals, and more. That's a lot. Anybody who's restored old Mustangs knows how quickly the cost of parts and labor adds up, so when somebody says much more, they probably mean it. And honestly, hearing "bring a trailer and cash" gives this listing a very old-school Facebook Marketplace energy. The orange paint with the tan interior probably gives the car a really cool late 60s custom vibe too. This feels like the kind of Mustang you buy because you want to enjoy it, improve little things over time, and just have fun with it. And for 16 grand, a running V8 first-generation Mustang is getting harder and harder to find.
Alright, so which Mustang are you taking home? The rare X-Code Convertible? The Caspian Blue Fastback? Or maybe one of the more affordable coupes you can actually cruise without worrying about every little scratch? Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you enjoy classic American cars like these, make sure you subscribe, because there are still a lot of hidden gems sitting out there that most people completely overlook. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.